take down their prey items. Kites, they're not fussy eaters at all. They'll go after pretty much anything that they can get their talons on. That's anything small like insects, small mammals, or reptiles, but sometimes it's where he uses stealth and precision to stab out and catch those prey items. Jabiroos, they're looking for anything like fish, crustaceans, eels, and way up north, sometimes baby saltwater crocodiles. Now, one of our favourite around Australia, but now we would love to introduce you all to the speed demons of the bird world, our rainbow and red colours Oregon!
To me. He uses integumentary sense organs over his face to pick up on the vibrations that I send out, just stamping my feet on the edge. And he's got lumps and bumps called scutes all over his back that enable him to move completely unseen, no bubbles, no ripples, beneath the water's surface. Now if this was deep, dark, murky water, you would have absolutely no idea that a croc was moving up right to the water's edge. And he's going to wind up that tail, get ready for that strike. There you go, now look up. There we go, give it up for Monty.